Good morning! Happy birthday, Ollie! Happy birthday to you! What's going on, guys? What's going on? What's going on, guys? What's going on? I moved on from track here for the next vlog at my environmental phase at TRCRC. I'm Tropical T and TRTRC. What's going on, guys? I'm here for my environmental phase with the next vlog. I'm Tropical T at TRCRC. And we want to know what that means. So, tropical,
rainforest,
conservation,
and research
center.
Bam! So yeah, guys, as said, we're at TRCRC, or as we like to call it, Tracy. It's just a bit more easy. What we do here is complicated. Yeah, today is also a very special day, as you may have seen. It's another birthday. It's Ollie's birthday today.
That's me! It's my birthday!
So yeah, it's gonna be a fun day. Currently we're digging holes to plant trees in the next few weeks. So I think we'll be doing that. It's currently 8:05, so we'll be going to work in 25 minutes. Guess see you later.
Okay, so as you can see here, from the lack of tree cover, the lack of any sort of canopy, this area was actually bulldozed for palm oil plantation about 60 years ago. So now what we're doing is we're helping to speed up the process of succession and help the canopy grow back by planting pioneer species all around. We're not chopping down any of the palm trees, because they'll be blocked out once the pioneer species grow and create a canopy. But once that canopy is set up, that'll make conditions easier for other plants and trees to come in and colonize, and then gradually you'll get a big canopy and return to normal jungle forest.
Fresh food.
Yeah, man.
Hello, guys. We're having our second during work break of the day. We already had a 2-hour lunch break, and also the half-an-hour break in the first period of work. Almost done working. It's super hot, super humid. I don't know. You can probably see the sweat drips on my face. I'm sorry. It's supposedly around 33 degrees, but it feels way hotter, and we're just digging holes, so just some activity as well. We're having hot drinks now. Very very weird to have hot drinks in this weather, but okay. And I think after this we'll smash out another hour, and then we're done for the day. And that's when I'll be back. Or maybe if we see something really special, hole digging skills, like something special happening during the hole digging, I'll be back. But I don't think so. Bye. Hello guys! I don't know if you can hear me, but something special did happen!
It's raining, man!
So like, it's raining pretty heavily, so you can't really dig holes and stuff like that in the rain because it'll become dangerous, because we had to like walk up a steep bit. It was already slippery when we went out there without the rain. Now will be, I don't know. It's just, we're done for the day. So I'm happy. I'm not dripping sweat anymore, thanks to the 30-minute break. And right now we're just gonna play some games. I don't know if you can even hear me, so I guess we're just gonna chill. We had a lovely lunch, by the way. I forgot to vlog that, but he caught some fresh fish, and so yeah, and he caught some fish, fried it up. It was pretty good, and like we had some crackers with it.
It was delicious. It was really good.
Yeah. Crackers, pepper, mayo, eggs as well, hard-boiled eggs, really good. And then we topped it all off with peaches, so just a perfect lunch. Seeing as we had a really good breakfast and lunch, I guess the guys who are on tonight's duty should really be able to top it. And yeah, we'll see. We will see. I think because of the rain, we really can't do anything else than just sit inside and relax. So
Relax.
see ya. We're having pizza because it's a special birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Ollie. Happy birthday to
Makan! Makan!
Makan.
What's going on, guys? What's going on? As you may have seen, we had some pizza. It was delicious. Like really good. Kaz made some, and she also made like a pie with pineapple and cookie crumbs. It was really lovely as well. And we sung happy birthday to Ollie again, so that's cool. Yeah, I think this is the end of the vlog, and we'll do another one next week. I've heard that we're gonna be planting trees tomorrow, so I'm very excited. And guess I will see you all later. Signing off.